Welcome to next video English class. In this video we are going to study about last part of the story. Okay, what is the name of the story? The farmer who became a doctor. Did you all read the textbook? Okay, what happened to the farmer? Okay, one day he met a doctor. He bought all the grass and brought something from the doctor. What are the things he brought? He brought a cloak, cane and a book on medicine. Next, what happened? He was wear all these things and next day asked to his wife, okay, now I look like a doctor now? But she replied, no. Now you have to make a signboard and put it on outside of his house. Okay, he do. Then what happened? He made a huge mistake. Okay, to make that signboard, he made a huge mistake. Then what happened? The messenger saw this signboard and then the messenger asked to the majesty. Then what happened? The majesty asked to the messenger, go and tell to the detective. Okay, they think that the farmer was a detective. Tell to the detective to find out my missing horses. Like his farmer, the messenger found out the missing horses. Next what happened? The palace. There is the next scene is the palace. What happened? The princess lost her diamond ring. She was very sad. At that time, the king asked to the messenger, go and bring back the detective here and find out the diamond ring. Okay, now you have to see the story. What happened next?
The Farmer Who Became a Doctor, Part 2. The royal messenger went to the farmer. Okay, then the next day, the royal messenger went to farmer's house. The princess ring has been stolen. The king wants you to find it. Okay, the princess ring has been stolen. The king wants you to find it. But how can I? I am not a. Okay, at that time, the farmer replied to the messenger. Okay, but how can I? I am not a. The messenger delivered the royal invitation. Okay, then the messenger delivered the royal invitation to the farmer. Please come. The king wants you and your wife to have lunch with him before you look for the king. Okay, the king majesty arranged a lunch for you. Have to came to the palace and you can take the ring. Okay. The farmer and his wife went to the palace. Okay, next day the farmer and his went to the palace. His majesty is waiting for you in the banqueting hall. Banqueting hall means dining hall. I have heard that they serve almost 100 dishes at these banquets. Okay, farmer's wife said to him, I have heard that. Okay, here they serve almost 100 dishes. Okay, the farmer has then replied to his wife. Okay, we have to count. The servant brought in the first course. Okay, at that time the servant served the first course. Here course means first meal. Then the servant turned pale and he returned to kitchen. Okay, at that time the servant was very turned to pale. Pale means, what do you mean by pale? To lose color on face because of the feeling of pride. The detective know that the three of us stole the ring. He said, I was the first. What we do? Okay, I think the detective knows we three are stole the ring. What we do now? Stop imagining things. Okay, at that time others said to them, stop imagining things. The second serve went to serve the next dish. Okay, at that time the second serve servant served the next dish. There comes the second one. Okay, here look at that. There comes the second one. The servant returned to the kitchen terrified. Terrified means angry, full of tension. Okay, so now you know that I wasn't imagining things, huh? Okay, the first servant asked to the others. Okay, now you clear your doubts. We must make him come here to the kitchen so that we can tell him not to report us to the king. Okay, now we have to call the dictator in that kitchen and ask him to not to report us to the king. The first servant quickly wrote a note to the farmer. Okay, at the time quickly the servant took a paper and write a note to the farmer. Give them this to him, but see that you don't arouse suspicion. Here arouse suspicion means make others think that one has done something wrong. Okay, there comes the third. Okay, at the time the farmer counting the third dish. There comes the third. The servant dropped the note discreetly on the farmer's sleeve. What do you mean by discreetly? Without drawing anyone's attention. Huh? Okay, at the time the farmer took that paper and read. The farmer couldn't believe his good luck. Okay, he is a lucky man. He couldn't believe his luck. The farmer read the message. After the meal was over, he went to the kitchen. Okay, after he finished the lunch and he went to the kitchen. How did you know we stole the ring? Okay, the farmer couldn't believe his luck, so they stole the ring. Okay, the farmer understood they stole the ring, so they stole the ring. Please don't tell the king, we will punish us severely. Okay, the three of them begged to the farmer, please don't tell the king, he will punish us severely. Here severely means strictly. Okay, all right, but you must promise never to steal again. Okay, I will relieve from you, but you have to promise me never to steal again. The farmer came up with an idea. Okay, now the farmer have an idea. What is that idea? Put the ring inside the cake which you are baking. Now the farmer has an idea. What is that idea? Put the ring inside the cake which you are baking. Later, well, you have found out where the ring is. Okay, the King Majesty asked to the farmer, well, have you found out the ring? Where is it is? Okay, yes, Your Majesty, it is in this very room. Okay, yes, Our Majesty, it is in this room. Okay, next what happened? The farmer pointed out that the cake and say, there. You mean the ring was inside the cake all this while? Okay, you mean the ring was inside the cake all this while? Okay, the Majesty was surprised. Then what happened? The ring rewarded the farmer generously, but he no longer wanted to be a doctor. When he reached home, he took off the signboard and dumped it into the bin. The doctor no longer wanted to be a doctor. He reached home and he took off the signboard and dumped into the bin. Dumped means threw away.
I hope all of you understood the story. Now we have to check the new words and their meanings. Okay, now all of you look at the board. The new words. Course, another part of a meal. Pale, to lose, color on, face, because of upright. Arouse suspicion, make others think that one has done something wrong. Discreetly, without drawing anyone's attention. Discreetly, without drawing anyone's attention. And severely, strictly. Severely, strictly. Dumb, true. Dumb, true. Here are the words coarse, pale, arouse suspicion, discreetly, severely, doubt. Now we have to learn these new words and their meanings. Okay, how to by heart these new words spelling and their spellings, and also how to take a textbook and have to read the textbook thoroughly. Okay? Thank you.